In today's tech tip, I'm showing you how to do a low shot in FC24. So it's very simple. The trick here is just to tap on the shot button. Don't press and hold, just tap, okay? So as soon as you have your player in position, just tap, okay? So you can see in the controller overlay, the top right corner, it's just a slight tap. So let's get out of here. So it's just a slight tap like that. You can see on the overlay in the top right corner, just a tap, okay? So let's try again. If you can get the ball. There you go. So let's wait for a player to make a run. There's Martinelli. Get in position, tap. Just a slight tap on the controller, and that's how you take a low shot. Now you can also do this while finessing the shot, okay? So with your finesse shot button and a slight tap on the shot button, this could actually be a low finesse shot. So let's try again. If you can get the ball, let's try and get the ball again and try one more time. So here's Saka. Ketty is there. Martinelli. So that's a low finesse shot, as you can see. So let's have a look at that replay. So that's basically how you take a low shot in FC24. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.